Hi guys, let me do this girl's hair because her hair is missing. Hi guys, let me just do this doll's hair because her hair was killing and I couldn't even do it. So she has dry ends. Her mom said I mustn't cut it, but I have to cut all of this dry ends out. So I had to put price shampoo. The shampoo's name is Shave Free by Yokio shop in Claymoon. Yeah, so I put it on and for after when it was done I got so like not excited. Her mom it in like her mommy told me why you don't do the right job and all that stuff. I'm like, nah, your child cry, your child cry. Yeah. So don't listen. I'm putting it on and she's crying because I'm just putting it on her hair and he's like, she's crying and I couldn't cut her hair. So I couldn't cut her hair. Then I start taking like the brushing her hair and it's like a soft brush and she's still crying. And so I'm like, nah, mother, this child is crying for nothing. Even still her hair is tired. She's crying because it's like literally a soft brush. And then I had to take now the comment pressure, yeah, because she's like cry and I told her this is right, she's such not right. She wanna cry for everything. Anyways, I told mom she's not gonna come to the shop anymore because she wanna waste my time. And I was waiting for the other customers. I'm not gonna bless her this time. Then I tried to put her French down. It couldn't come down because her hair is literally gonna stand up forever. And then I took the soft brush and combed there. So now she's crying for soft brush again and now again. And then I tried to loosen this thing and it was so hard. And then I took the comb again and I brushed the hair and I brushed the hair and I tried to put the hair straight like normal people's hair, put it like straight. And then I combed the hair and I combed the hair, she kept crying. And then I was getting annoyed because she's crying and all that stuff. And then I had to come and I threw on the bed because she's now breaking. Bye guys.